Happy good morning! Are you all out of craft supplies? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to make a reindeer out of seashells and some sparkly glitter, along with the help of some items from around the house. This is part 7 of a 10-part series. You can watch the full video here or watch them each individually. Check out the links below for more cheap, simple, and easy to make reindeer crafts. What treasures do you have for me now?
Seashells.
Seashells?
Uh-huh.
What? No beach sand?
No, but that would have been a good idea too.
I know. I'm going to mix together some of that reindeer brown paint.
Good idea.
This little oyster shell is brown on the outside, so I'm just going to paint the inside to match. Since we're working with seashells, I decided to use blue and silver glitters to give it a nautical Christmas look. Thank goodness for this magical reindeer for helping me. I've dusted off the excess glitter and laid out my shells. Time to glue.
Speaking of seashells, did you know that reindeer are really good swimmers?
Is that so?
Yes, their coat helps them float.
Seriously?
Yep, they have 2 layers of fur, and one of those layers has hollow, air-filled hairs that help them stay buoyant.
Wow, that's totally tubular. Here I had to fill the insides of the shell with glue so it would glue easier to the backside of the oyster shell. Almost done. Let's add a bow. I tied mine to some matching blue embroidery floss. I glued the little silver shell, or should I say the little silver bell, to the end of the string and glued everything to the larger shell's back. Add a silver ribbon to the top and hang up Donner on your Christmas tree.
Maybe we should hide him somewhere in the back.
Aw, come on, Sonny. He doesn't look that bad.
Yes he does.
Okay, you're right. As my aunt used to say, he's so ugly he's cute.
Agreed.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a sweet, charming Christmas, and I'll see you again for more amazing craft ideas. Happy crafting!